Hello there! Can tiles kill germs? In this video, we will demonstrate how our germ-free tiles work. It is discovered that there are some metal ions that are effective against germs. We have added these metal ions in our tiles to give it germ-free properties. So how does this action take place on a tile surface? Well, to demonstrate, we cultured a germ colony and transferred them to a treated glazed surface. We have used biomarkers to make the germ colony glow in the dark. Using a microscope and a 20x camera lens to make the germs visible, this is how the tile looks, full of germs. It is a fast-forwarded footage of over 20 hours. The decrease in the glow shows the reduction of germs. The glow eventually fades out, showing a negligible germ presence. Orientbell germ-free tiles kill 99% germs in 24 hours and provide you a safe environment even between your cleaning cycle. Go germ-free with Orientbell tiles.